Creative and fun learning. Create a mini table tennis game. In the heart of a bustling schoolyard, where laughter and learning intertwined like vines on a trellis, it was another Friday, a day dedicated to creative and fun learning. Our young inventors, clad in lab coats and safety goggles, eagerly gathered around the colorful assortment of DIY table tennis supplies that lay before them. The sun shone bright overhead, casting long shadows on their excited faces. 4 enthusiastic inventors stepped forward, each equipped with a small ruler and a saw. They measured the lengths and widths of the wooden planks, their eyes focused intently on the task at hand. With a swift whoosh, the saws glided through the wood, the children carefully marking each cut. While one child diligently sanded her paddle, another assembled the legs of their DIY table tennis table. The others gathered nearby, exchanging ideas and advice, their faces flushed with anticipation. As the afternoon wore on, the table began to take shape. The children painted their newly sanded paddles, each one a testament to their creativity and individuality. Laughter echoed through the schoolyard as they shared stories and ideas, the vibrant colors of their paddles adding splashes of joy to the scene. Finally, the table was complete. The children gathered around it, excitement bubbling as they readied themselves for the first match. With a swift toss of the ball, they were off. Shrieks of laughter and cheers filling the air as they played on into the golden glow of sunset. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting long shadows across the schoolyard, the children reluctantly called it a day. Huddled together, they discussed their plans for the next creative and fun learning activity, their faces aglow with the memories of the day's success. The following morning, the children returned to school, beaming with pride as they showed off their DIY table tennis setup to their fellow students. As more and more children joined in, a friendly tournament erupted, laughter and cheers echoing through the halls. The children spent the days that followed honing their table tennis skills, improving not only their motor coordination, but also their strategic thinking. They learned about teamwork and perseverance as they faced challenges and worked together to overcome them. As the week came to a close, the children gathered once more in the schoolyard, their faces glowing with pride as they celebrated their accomplishments. They had built something incredible together, a mini table tennis game that brought joy and learning to everyone who played it. As they prepared to dismantle their table tennis setup, the children looked at one another, thoughts swirling in their minds as they dreamed up their next creative and fun learning project. They knew that whatever they chose, it would be an adventure filled with friendship, teamwork, and learning, just like this one. The following Monday, the children returned to school, their hearts brimming with excitement for another week of creative and fun learning. They knew that whatever lay ahead, they would face it together, their bond stronger than ever, and their minds filled with endless possibilities. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting long shadows across the schoolyard, the children stood together, their laughter and joy ringing out through the air. They had worked hard, learned more than they ever thought possible, and formed friendships that would last a lifetime. The DIY table tennis setup was more than just a game. It was a symbol of creativity, teamwork, and fun.